In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneDrive offline. If you've ever worried about losing access to an important document when you're away from Wi-Fi, this simple method will make sure your files are ready whenever you need them. We'll walk through it using File Explorer on your Windows computer, and I'll point out what to look for so you know it worked. First, open File Explorer on your computer. This is the folder icon you usually see on your taskbar or can open from the Start menu. Once File Explorer is open, look at the left side panel. You should see OneDrive listed there. Click OneDrive to view your cloud files right inside File Explorer, just like any other folder on your PC. If you're already signed in and syncing, your files will appear here with small status icons that show whether they're only in the cloud or stored locally. Now find the file you want to use offline. This can be any document, photo, or other items stored in your OneDrive. When you've located it, right-click the file to open the context menu. In that menu, click Always Keep on this device. The moment you choose that, Windows starts downloading a local copy of the file and pins it to your device so it stays available even when you don't have an internet connection. Give it a moment to finish. You'll know it's ready when you see a green check appear beside the file in File Explorer. That check mark is your confirmation that the file is stored locally and can be opened without internet. If the icon doesn't change right away, the download may still be in progress, especially for larger files. Just keep File Explorer open and let it complete. From now on, you can open and edit that file anytime, whether you're online or offline. When you reconnect to the internet, OneDrive will automatically sync your changes back to the cloud, keeping everything up to date across your devices. This makes it great for traveling, working in low connectivity areas, or ensuring a critical file is always at your fingertips. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you have enough disk space on your computer for the files you choose to keep offline, and remember that OneDrive needs a moment to download the file the first time you pin it. The green check is your visual cue that it's good to go, and that's it. Open File Explorer, click OneDrive, right-click your file, choose Always Keep on this device, and look for the green check. You're set to work offline with confidence.